welcome back to my channel. It's Kiss here. I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that bell. So today guys, I'm so happy and I'm ready to do something that is new to you guys. I'm going to show you a recipe. I'm going to bake a vanilla cake. So many people have been asking me, oh, anzaje kubake. So today I'm going to teach you a very easy way of baking. I'm going to take you through a procedure for beginners. I'm going to bake a vanilla cake, guys. So please, people, come with me. So I have some ingredients here. I have wheat flour, I have margarine, 4 eggs, salt, sugar I mean. Then there is vanilla essence, baking powder, and finally I have these 2 baking tins. Yes, and so I'm mixing the dry ingredients. Mixing the dry ingredients, that is wheat flour, sugar, and the baking powder together. You're supposed to mix it evenly. Just take your time. Yeah, so we are breaking this egg. Yeah, you have to break them aside, so just in case you get a spoiled egg, you don't spoil your flour. There it is. Put this aside. Guys, it's good to use a fork when you don't have a whisk. Yeah, so here we're going to mix with the vanilla essence. Wow, yeah, the vanilla essence. Then continue mixing with your fork. It's just acting like the essence. Mix it well. Yeah, so here we've mixed the dry ingredients. Here we've mixed the egg and the vanilla essence. I'm mixing the dry ingredients and the egg vanilla mixture. Yeah, so this is called folding in method. So you're folding in air. Yeah, because you need the air to help with the rising. Yeah, I know you added the baking powder, but yeah, even how you mix the ingredients really assist a lot in ensuring your cake is spongy. There's some people who are allergic to milk. So the best thing to use here is water. Mix it with water. Like even that is it is easily available. guys, as you can see, should mix well. Should use this folding in method, like no folding in air, so that when it will be baking, it will rise. It will rise for foil. This guy, it only needs patience. Just take your time to do it. Actually, when you use a whisk, it gets air out. It's not advisable to use a whisk when I'm mixing this. I think if I can remember, that is what I was taught. Yes guys, make sure you mix well until these lumps are not seen. As you can see, they are decreasing as time goes by. As you can see, the consistency of our dough. You should just have patience so that these lumps can go mixed. The main reason for these lumps to disappear is to get a nice perfect vanilla cake. So how do you know your dough is ready? Okay, so the thing that will make you know that the dough is ready, it will have a consistency. As you can see, it will flow easily. Yes, that is one thing that you'll know that your dough is ready, and there will be no lumps or reduced lumps. Yeah, then it will have an even rising. Yay! So what I need to do is start preparing the baking tins. Yes, let me take you through that procedure. So here are the baking tins. I want to grease them. Yeah, with this margarine. The main aim of greasing the trays is to avoid the cake from sticking. Yeah. Yeah, make sure you grease each and every corner. Grease evenly.
It's good to use a serviette.
Tin number 1 is ready. As you can see, it has been applied well in all corners. Apply in all corners. Make sure you pay attention to all corners. Ta-dam. Ta-da-dam, ta-da-dam. Wow. Yeah guys, you can see we're putting in our baking tin. Yeah, and it's finally ready to be put in the oven, guys. As you can see, wow.
Should I give you?
So guys, you'll have to preheat your oven. You'll put time approximately 50 minutes. Then moto ikuwa ya juu na ya chini. Then temperature should be 180 or slightly above 180. Yeah, let's preheat it, then we see what will come next, guys. So let's give it 45 minutes. It will be ready, guys. So 45 minutes is almost over. If you want to check your cake, you use a knife. Yeah, you dip in. If it comes out dry, it is well cooked. So let us remove it because our cake is ready. Our cake is ready, guys. Wow. So these are the cupcakes.
I begin to